In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlink Steam in Farlight 84. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, if you tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and you go to the account category, you will be able to see your Steam account linked, and if you click on it, it's going to redirect you to this page where you can link new accounts, but you will notice that the option to unlink Steam is nowhere to be seen. Even if you select Steam multiple times, nothing pops up. And under the More option, you have the option to delete your whole account, but once again, there is no option to unlink, only your Steam account. And if you click Switch Accounts, this is going to create a new account for Farlight. So the only option that you have to unlink Steam only, but still keep your Farlight account, is to click these three lines at the right side of the settings to open up this menu. Now access the Frequently Asked Questions option to contact the customer support. As you can see, it is going to load, and in here you will be able to talk to their customer support. You can select any of the options presented here or select Player Support at the bottom and now talk to them. Describe your issue and give them a reason on why you want to unlink your Steam account. As long as you provide validation that you are the owner of the Steam account and valid reason on why you want it unlinked, they should be able to communicate to you and help you unlink both accounts, because like you saw, you cannot do this process yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink Steam in Farlight 84. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.